Load your family into the 2014 Ford Escape. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an outside temperature display, rear wipers, and power windows. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Call now to schedule a test drive.